Here we will discuss another type of clock related question. You can see the question here. At what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock beat together? The question is, at what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock beat together? The question is simple. They are asking between 2 and 3 the hands of a clock. There are two hands, minute hand and the hour hand, will be together. Together means, otherwise you can call coincide. Sometimes they will tell coincide, sometimes they will tell together, which means coincide means both the hands will be in same line. Minute hand and the hour hand will be same line. So that is the meaning of coincide or beat together. When both the hands are together or in a coincide manner, the degree will be 0 degree. Degree will be 0 degree. You will understand this concept only if you have some idea about this concept, or you can watch my previous video, so you will get an idea what is this angle, coincide, etc. Okay, so here when both hands are together, which means that 0 degree. Now we can solve this question by using the formula 2 by 11 into 30 into hour plus or minus angle. The formula you have to understand: 2 by 11 into 30 into hour plus or minus. Just remember here this one, plus or minus angle. So when I put all the numbers in this formula from this question, I can write 2 by 11 30 into hour. Hour we will take the first hour because the first one set 2. Hour will be 2. Okay, we will take this hour 2. Now it is coming plus or minus angle. Angle here I told before, when I say coincide or together, the angle will be 0. Here there is a confusion, plus or minus. What we will put? We will put plus or minus. For that you have to check only this bracket. If you take only this bracket, 30 into 2 is 60. 60 plus 0 means 0, which means when you add all numbers in this bracket, if the answer is going above 360, then you have to minus. If it is coming more 360, you have to minus. If it is coming below 360, you have to put plus. So in this case, you know that here when you add, the answer will be below 360. So I will put plus. Okay. Suppose if I add this part and if I am getting the answer above like 380 or something, then I will put minus here. Okay. Otherwise I will put plus here. In this case, when I add only this part, I will get the answer 60. So it is below 360. So I can put plus here. Okay, let's solve. 2 by 11, 30 into 2 is 60 plus 0 means that is 120 by 11. When you solve 120 divided by 11, you will get the answer. I'm just dividing, that's all. You will get the answer 10 by 11. Okay, you can solve this one. So this is minute. So at this time, I mean between 2 and 3, at this time, the hands of the clock will be together. Just remember this formula. Then you must know how to put plus or minus. Okay. That's so you will get the answer. Suppose the question is like, at what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock be at a right angle. Here the question is different. At a right angle. Right angle means what? 90 degree. So the question here is, at what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock, minute hand and the hour hand, will be at a right angle, means 90 degree. Here we will put again the same formula, 2 by 11, 30 into hour, plus or minus angle. So 2 by 11, 30 into, here the hour is 2. When I add plus or minus 90, when I calculate this one, 3 into 2 is, 30 into 2 is 60. 60 plus 90, it will come only how much? 150 only to. So below 360, 150 it will come. So below 350 the answer, 360 is the answer. So I can put what? Plus. If when I am calculating, if the answer is coming above 360, then I have to minus it. But here the answer is coming below 360, so I can put plus. So when I calculate, it will come. So when I solve, I will get the answer 30. 150. Okay. So the answer 300 by 11. When I solve this 300 by 11, I will get the answer. Okay. So this will be the answer. So you have to again, you can solve again 311. You can solve again. I'm not going to solve it like 300 by 11. Okay. 7. Okay, so the answer will be like 27, 3 by 11. The answer will be like 27 minute. Okay, minute. So at this time, between 2 and 3 o'clock, the minute will be 27 minutes, 3 bar 11 minute. It will be at right angle. Okay, so only you have to understand the formula, that is 2 by 11 into 30 into hour plus or minus angle. Angle, how you will understand? If they are telling right angle, and it will be 90 degree. If they are telling coincide, then it will be 0 degree. Then plus or minus I told how to do. Okay, so you will get the answer. Practice as much question you can, so you will not forget the formula as well as the procedure. So easily you can solve any question related to clock questions. Thank you.